Good morning, Tahmina Khan is here in TKMaths is fun. In today's video, we will focus on area of a triangle. It is trigonometry. So I'll make 3 videos initially in which I will explain area of triangle. The focus will be on the triangles which are not right angle triangle, as you can see here in the figure. And what is a sine rule and cosine rule, right? So one video will be on each topic. So let's just start with the area of a triangle concept. So starting with something you already know, if this figure is given to you, these two figures, and you are asked to find out the area of a triangle. So you will do straight away, area is equals to half base into height. Agreed? And you will substitute the values. So it is suppose 8 base, 6 height, and you will calculate. And in this case, it will be A is equals to half 4 into 10, and you will calculate it, and whatever the unit is there, that unit, the square unit, you will write here. Okay, now question here is, if suppose this type of triangle is there which is not a right angle triangle, then how will you find out the area of a triangle? So there is a formula. Usually student known this formula as half AB sine C. Now I am showing you the 3 forms of the formula. Figure is in front of you, giving you a few seconds to focus or observe what is actually happening. What is the important point here, which you must have to take care when you are finding the area of a triangle, which is not a right angle triangle. Okay, so now if you see here in first formula, I'm talking about these two sides, AB, and I'm saying angle C, right? Now if I see this next formula I have taken, half BC, now I'm talking about this side and this side, and I'm saying sine A, I'm talking about this angle. If I look at the last one, which is half AC, it means I'm talking about this and this, A and C, and angle is this. So what is the important thing you have noticed here? The important thing you have noticed here that in the triangle, which is not a right angle triangle, when you apply this formula, actually the two sides, whatever those two sides are, the angle should be between them, right? This is the important point here. So you have to remember this, the angle should be between two known sides. So that's why it is said, to calculate the area of a non-right angle triangle, the angle must be included between the two sides which you are taking for values here in place of A and B. So let's see its application in the question. Okay, so here it is. If I have to apply the formula, you can pick up your calculator, please. 3 examples I will explain to you, and then I will give you question to test your knowledge. Okay, so if I say half AB sine C, it means I'm talking about two sides which are given to me. So it is half times 7.3 times 5.8 times sine of 37 degree. The rest of the work is of the calculator. So I'm also picking up calculator. You can also pick up the calculator and figure it out. Sine of 37, right? So I got answer here. Achha, by the way, make sure that your angle is in which mode? Degree mode, right? Because when you use a calculator in higher classes, so sometimes the calculator is in the degree mode or sometimes in the radian mode. So you have to ensure that it is in the degree mode in this case. So half into 7.3 into 5.8 into sine of 37. So I got here area 12.74, right? And which is a square centimeter. Because for examination, from examination point of view, we write answers in 3 significant figure. So I will write 12.7 square centimeter, and I can mention here 3 significant figure, right? Now if you see here this this example, now this is a little trick here, but I hope you understand automatically, because sum of the angle is what? 180 degree. The two known sides are these, and angle between them is unknown. but the other two angles in the triangle are given to me, so I can easily calculate this angle. How? Sum of the angles in a triangle is 180. So from 180, I will subtract the sum of these angles. Agreed? So let's do it quickly. 180 minus, so I got here 47. So now I can apply the formula for the area of a triangle, which will be half. Now usually when students write like this, you can also, no problem. AB are basically the sides which are given to you, and C is the angle between them, okay? So half 13.35, 6.5, sine of 47. And then pick up the calculator and substitute. Half into 13.35 into 6.5 into sine of 47. So I got here 31.73 degree. Again, in three significant figure it will be 31.7, and angles are given in one decimal place. Okay. Now, if you have to calculate the area of this parallelogram, how will you do it? Because height is not given here, so I cannot use the formula for base into height. So what will I do here? Any idea? Yes, you are right. This parallelogram I can divide into two equal parts, right? As per the property of the parallelogram. So area of this part and this part is same. So I will add them up and double it. So I can find out, let me call this side A and let me call this side B. So area of side A I can easily calculate with the formula I have just shown. So it will be area is equals to 2 times, because it is this side and this side, so I'm doubling it, 2 times half into 5.3, because these are two my known sides and this is the angle between them. So half into 5.3 into 5.8 into sine of 117. And why did I do multiply by 2? Because whatever this area will be, same will be this area. So I'm doubling it because I have to find the area of the whole parallelogram, right? So let me pick up calculator and solve it, and you can also try it by picking up the calculator. By the way, this 2 will cancel with this 2. You don't need to put it in the calculator. Even if you do so, it will be all right. So I got here answer 27.3895. So when I will write in three significant figure or one decimal place, it will be 27.4 square centimeter, right? So here I have solved two examples for you. Yes. How is it different? Let's see here. So far two sides were given to you, right? Let me erase this so that, let me keep the answer here, but let me erase the rest of the thing. I thought earlier that I will show you the solution here and ask you the question in the next slide. But it's better if I solve this in front of you so that you can follow me. Okay, now how the question is made different, how it is made challenges when students usually claim, oh, this is the way it was not told to us. So if you see here, area is given to you this time. One of the side is unknown. So I will apply the same formula. Instead of area, I will write here 34.9. One of the side is unknown. I will keep it A, whatever the letter is written here. And the other side will be 27 and sine of 15. So you see, earlier we were given these three things and we were finding out area. But now in this question, this is given, one of the side is unknown and this is given. Similarly, this can be given, this can be given, this can be given, and this is asked. This is how questions are manipulated and you have to be able to apply it. Doesn't matter. So now I will multiply 2 by 34.9 and divide it by 27 into sine of 15, and that will give me the value of A. cross multiplication basically. So 9.99 centimeter. Similarly, in this one, if you see, angle is unknown, but area of a triangle is given to you. So in the same formula, in place of area, you will write 12. And in place of A and B, which are your sides, you will write 4 and 6.2. And angle you have to calculate. So now simple cross multiplication. If I want to cancel this out here, no problem. 12 divided by 2, 6.2 is equals to sine of C. And you know, in this case, what do? We take sine inverse. So it will be sine inverse of all of this. What you have written, you can simplify and write it down here. So this is how you will get the answer. So you have seen the same formula for area of a triangle, how we have changed it to find out missing side or missing angle. Now I have given here 2 questions and it is a test of your understanding. Answers I have written here. The answer of this is 44.5 and this is 56.5. So now it is your time. You try to solve these questions, and if you don't get the answer, if you have difficulty, you can write it in the comments and I will explain it to you. So I hope you understood. Please press like and subscribe button and share it with your friends. Take care. Allah Hafiz.